The Smart Bowl from PetNet. The only bowl that cares for the way your pet eats. Once you've created a profile for your pet, including age, weight, and level of activity, the Smart Bowl will guide you in feeding your pet the perfect portion, letting you know if you've poured too much. And the Smart Bowl works great for dry or wet foods. Using our app is simple. You can stay connected with alerts and notifications and receive important information like feeding times, meal confirmations, food inventory, and battery life. Match your pet with ideal food recipes and gain insightful feedback to ensure your pet is getting just the right amount of food. And convenient delivery brings pet food to your doorstep, so you never have to worry about running out of food ever again. The PetNet Smart Bowl, your feeding companion.
Take your trust to the next level. With Feinster Duo, you can finally give your pet the freedom he needs while keeping your peace of mind. A tiny and smart wearable device helps you care for that best friend of yours, using high-precision GPS technology to track their location in real time. Practical and easy to use, Feinster lets you stay connected even when you're away. Share access to your pets with your family and friends and monitor their safety from anywhere. The virtual leash adds an extra layer of protection during your walks, ensuring your pet keeps up with you at all times. Love is a full-time job, but sometimes life gets in the way. Feinster helps you stay one step ahead, even when Mr. Tailwagger decides to go on his little solo expeditions. Feinster is the extra set of eyes you've always wanted to have, but instead of helping you look, it guides you right to your pet's location. But going out with your little buddy is also about sharing new adventures and celebrating your unique bond. Challenges and leaderboards are available because fun should always be a part of the experience. Revisit your walks or analyze your performance. Feinster helps you guarantee you're both getting the most out of your activities. It also provides you with key data to make sure your best friend's needs are always attended to. But Feinster Duo goes beyond that. It is also the first product that rewards you for keeping your pet healthy. Connect yourself to the ones you love with Feinster Duo.
Hello, my name is Chewy, and this is my owner. He seems to be really interested in stopping me from breaking away. Current GPS trackers aren't a solution. And believe me, I made sure he realized that the hard way.
I think the fact that all of them required a contract and monthly fees didn't help either. Since then, he focused on solving the problem himself.
El rastreador Feinster original fue financiado en Indiegogo hace 2 años, apoyado por más de 1 millar de mecenas de más de 50 países. Ahora este grupo está trabajando en Feinster Duo, el siguiente paso en la evolución de los seguidores de mascotas. Además de las capacidades de seguimiento, han añadido numerosas funciones para medir mi bienestar.
Not to mention rankings and leaderboards, because I'm also a social being. The only thing they're missing to make it happen is your help. So if you'd also like to keep tabs on your furry friends, go ahead and help them. Meanwhile, we'll keep working on new ways to escape. Ow, 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 ow!
Hey there, Kickstarter. I'm Adam, the creator of the Easy Feed. With a full-time job, 3 boys, and 1 more on the way, I was looking for a hassle-free pet feeder that had all the features I wanted in one device. I couldn't find one, which is why I created the Easy Feed. The Easy Feed is the most automatic, hands-free, and easy-to-use pet feeder in the world. Now, you may have seen a few pet feeders in the past, but I can promise you nobody offers a complete end-to-end solution like this. The Easy Feed provides both food and water. We'll let you feed based on your schedule and your amounts. You can check in anywhere with the built-in webcam and microphone. And best of all, it'll have food automatically delivered to your doorstep from Amazon when you're running low. This is truly the most set it and forget it feeder in the world.
Hi, Rufus. We've all been there, working 40, 50, even 70 hours a week while our dogs are bored and lonely at home. And when we get back, exercising our dogs can be a challenge because we're tired, it's too dark out, or the weather's bad. I was looking for something to help my dog Rufus get the activity he was lacking during the day, and I had a revelation. So I quit my job and decided to put my engineering degree to use for a good cause. My name is Santiago Gutierrez, and I created the world's first smartbone. The GoBone is the first entertainment device made for you and your dog. It keeps your dog active while you're at work, and it gives you new ways to play when you're together.
It's something that not only I can use in the evening when I just want to hang out with my dog and play, but it's also something that can be at home with him when I can't be.
Using the GoBone is easy. Just put food or treats inside, tap it, and it automatically plays with your pup for up to 8 hours, keeping them happy and entertained, and giving you a renewed peace of mind.
The GoBone is also very smart. It actually personalizes its experience to your dog based on their breed, weight, age, and other variables.
When you're ready to get in on the action, you can instantly take control of the GoBone through the mobile app. Interactive games like GoBone Fetch and GoBone Hide and Seek turn the GoBone into an interactive gaming device for you and your pup. Even capture video and share it while you play. The GoBone's exterior can be changed when it wears out or when it's time for a new look. You don't need to buy a new GoBone if it gets chewed up. Our mechanical engineer has years of experience designing rugged products for the military, so rest assured the GoBone's electronics are safely enclosed. The GoBone has been in the works for more than 2 years with over 1,000 hours of testing behind it. Over 100 dogs have already had the chance to play with the GoBone, many of them living in animal shelters. And that's where the GoBone's other function comes into play. We believe the GoBone is not only a great companion for your dog, it could be a life-saving device for dogs in shelters hoping to be adopted.
I think that it is mental stimulation for animals. Shelters, a lot of times you'll see that animals are recluse or deemed inadoptable because they lack interaction. And this is a way to actually show their personality, to bring out who they are and make them more adoptable.
We're also making the GoBone to help shelter dogs have a chance at getting their own forever homes. In fact, one of our rewards lets you get a GoBone for yourself and donate one to the shelter of your choice. We believe all dogs should be happy, healthy, and active, no matter where their human is or what they're doing. Please support our Kickstarter, tell everyone you know, so we could get the GoBone into production.
When you get home after a long day, you want to spend time with your cat and not cleaning her litter box. With a PetSafe Simply Clean automatic litter box, you will enjoy more time with your furry friend as the system cleans the litter box for you. Setup is a snap and really simple. Remove the screws from the center of the litter bowl and the top of the conveyor system. Lift the conveyor system to the upright position. Then attach the litter guard to the litter bowl by first placing the plastic tab on the end of the guard under the lip of the bowl, and then attaching the vertical plastic clips to the guard. Be sure the guard will fit under the conveyor system. Then lower the conveyor system and reattach the screws. Next, find the 3 holes in the conveyor cover and align them with the posts on the conveyor system. Snap the cover into place. The waste receptacle can be used without a liner, or the common grocery bag can be used to line the waste receptacle. Insert the waste receptacle into the Simply Clean litter box system. Fill the litter bowl with premium clumping scoopable cat litter to the fill line. Now plug the AC adapter into the litter box. The green light will illuminate. To transition your cat to the Simply Clean litter box, place it next to your cat's current litter box. Let it sit for a couple of days without scooping while the Simply Clean automatically cleans itself. Your cat will quickly move to the cleaner box. The Simply Clean litter box system makes one complete rotation per hour. To test your system, put one piece of tape on the base of the unit and the other on the bowl of the unit. After several minutes, the two pieces of tape should be several inches apart. Your cat won't notice the movement and will want to use the Simply Clean consistently because a fresh litter box is available 24/7. As one of the quietest systems on the market, you will not be bothered with any cleaning cycles and special bags, trays, or bins to maintain making disposing your cat's waste easy on you and your wallet. Enjoy your Simply Clean automatic litter box. If you have any questions, please call our customer care center at 1-866-738-4379.